Subscribe now to Next Gen Motors, the ultimate destination for car enthusiasts who crave in-depth reviews, cutting-edge insights, and exclusive previews of the latest automotive marvels. Today we are diving into the highly anticipated 2026 Mercedes-Benz E-Class, a car that redefines luxury, performance, and technology for the modern driver. Mercedes has once again pushed the boundaries of what an executive sedan can be, blending sportiness with elegance in a way that feels both familiar and groundbreaking. From the moment you lay eyes on the 2026 E-Class, its sculpted aerodynamic profile and striking front fascia make it clear that this is no ordinary sedan. Sleek LED headlights with an intelligent adaptive system, a redesigned grille that proudly carries the iconic star, and flowing body lines create a look that exudes confidence and sophistication. The sporty yet refined stance is enhanced by new alloy wheel designs and a range of vibrant color options, ensuring it turns heads whether parked or in motion. Step inside and you are welcomed by an interior that feels more like a first-class lounge than a car cabin. Mercedes has equipped the E-Class with its latest MBUX Hyperscreen system, seamlessly blending multiple displays into one panoramic glass panel for an immersive digital experience. Premium leather, sustainable wood trims, customizable ambient lighting, and meticulously crafted details elevate the sense of luxury. Comfort is paramount, with multi-contour heated and ventilated seats, advanced climate control, and a whisper-quiet ride thanks to enhanced sound insulation. Under the hood, the 2026 E-Class offers a range of powertrains designed to satisfy both performance seekers and efficiency-minded drivers. Options include turbocharged inline-4s, smooth inline-6s with mild hybrid technology, and even a plug-in hybrid variant for those who want electric range without sacrificing long-distance flexibility. Acceleration is swift and responsive, with refined suspension tuning that delivers the perfect balance of sporty handling and luxurious comfort. Rear-wheel drive remains standard, while the 4MATIC all-wheel drive system is available for enhanced traction and stability in all conditions. On the tech front, Mercedes has gone all in on safety and driver assistance. The 2026 E-Class comes standard with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and an advanced 360-degree camera system. Optional features like augmented reality navigation, automated parking, and semi-autonomous driving modes make every journey more convenient and less stressful. The infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, over-the-air updates, and an advanced voice assistant that understands natural speech. Practicality has not been overlooked either. The spacious cabin offers generous legroom and headroom for all passengers, while the trunk provides ample cargo space for business trips.